Welcome to the channel, guys. So big update on the Gixxer. We finally got the new parts in today. We got a rectifier and stator, and I actually just pulled out the stator, and I found out why we were having charging issues. And this is rough. I've never seen something like that. I don't even know where that came from, so I'm just going to show you if you can see that already. Turn the light on here. I don't even know where that came from. So this piece right here, it's not supposed to be in there. And as you can see, as to why we were having charging problems, it was just bouncing in there, destroying everything. Literally, there's no, I don't even know what this is or where it came from. So hopefully we won't have to get a new cover here for the stator, but this should take care of the charging issue. I don't know what could have caused that. As you can see, it's a big chunk of metal. It's like solid metal. It's not like a bearing or something. So actually, oh man, I see exactly what it is. So somehow that piece right there, the dowel pin, got caught in here and just did incredible amounts of damage. Yep, that's exactly what that is. And as you can see, the stator's F-U-C-K-E-D. We're going to put that on and go for a test drive, but holy crap, I've never seen something like that. Alright guys, stay tuned for the test drive. Alright guys, we went for a little test drive, and man, it's running so much better. You can feel it. It just is smooth, but once you get to the top end, you do get a little bit of misfire, like a very small misfire, like a little stutter. But overall, the bike is doing 100% better. Well, I wouldn't say 100%, about 80%. Right now, I'm checking just like the regular stuff. I'm going to do another test on the battery later on, just to make sure that the stator, the magneto that was damaged, isn't the problem now. So we are getting good spark because I took the spark plugs out. And as you can see, they're all burning nice and clean. It's a little bit lean right now. If I can get this thing to focus, but that's a pretty good burn there. There's no fuel left over. Looks like the spark plugs are doing fine. I don't think it's the coils or the spark plugs now. It may just be the magneto on the stator. I'm gonna see if we can get one of those. If not, then I mean, it's really not that bad. It's only in top end, and I mean, the bike runs pretty good. So if he wants to fix it, then we can get a magneto and go from there. But I have to test the like the voltage and everything, just to make sure that's what it is. And that should be it for this bike, guys. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? Big problems caused by little things. As you saw, the O-ring on the fuel pump that was missing caused it to have no fuel pressure, which started a no start problem. And the guy was so like fed up with it, he was fixing to sell it. He didn't even want it. Got the battery, got it running again, and now she's almost running top. She's just got little things here and there. Like I said, it's always it could be multiple problems with the bike. So it does have it does have new spark plugs. It does have one new coil, and it does have a new rectifier stator in it now. We also put a new battery in it just because we knew the battery was dead. Just gonna need one anyways. So what do you guys think, man? Have you guys have issues with your GSXR1000? This is a 07, 08 model, and this is the problems that we'd had, and this is what we did to fix it. So if you like GSXRs, stay tuned. There's a lot more of this coming soon. Alright guys, so we got the bike put together. We got the stator in, and as you saw, there was lots of damage in there. Don't know if it's working properly, so we're going to test it out right now. And to do that, we have to take the plug off and put your meter on there. Make sure you set it to alternating current AC instead of DC, because it will burn it out. It's going to be putting out between 65 and plus voltage at 5,000 RPM. So we're going to test that out now. Let's see what we got. So 65, we got 70. Test out the other lead here. Alright guys, well, the new stator does look like it's putting out the correct voltage. The magneto was pretty heavily damaged, as you saw, but the bike is still having a misfire up top end. We're going to get to the bottom of it. I don't know exactly what that is, so we're going to go through the bike again. And I actually adjusted the TPS earlier. Maybe that had some effect. I don't know. I haven't driven it yet. Yeah, stay tuned guys. We're gonna get this bike fixed, promise. Alright, so now we are testing battery voltage. See what we got. Battery is a little low. So it is being a little weird. So it is being a little weird. Staying at 12, and then when you rev it up, it gets up to 14. Try to clean that up here. But battery voltage seems fine. I don't know why I'm still having that misfire up top. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch us in the next episode, and appreciate all the new subscribers, and y'all have a happy holidays.